Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A 3-burner hob is a perfect balance. It doesn't take up your whole counter like a 4-burner hob, but it's faster than our 2-burner hob. And if you have a compact modular kitchen, this is the best one for you, and this is the best video for you to choose the best 3-burner hobs. For all the hobs, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Glen 3-burner built-in hob. Glen is known for robust engineering. It uses forged brass burners which are 5 times stronger than casting burners. They don't deform under high heat. Coming to its durability and safety, the 8mm glass, the knobs are soft touch and very responsive. It's a workhorse and it may not look as fancy as Elica, but it lasts longer. Cleaning under the burners is slightly tricky due to the design. Whirlpool Elite Hybrid 3-burner. This is an excellent flame distribution hob. The IntelliCook brass burner hobs are designed specifically for Indian cooking. Coming to its durability and safety, the heat-resistant knobs are great. The glass is certified for high thermal shock. Coming to the realistic review, the users appreciate the spacing. You can actually keep 3 vessels at once without crowding. Service is decent in the metro cities. Overall, it's best for Indian style heavy cooking. Faber Maxus HD 3-burner. It looks premium and performs flawlessly. It comes with a 1 jumbo burner for large utensils and faster cooking. The black finish is scratch resistant. Coming to its durability and safety, heavy cast iron supports ensure your round bottom works sit stable. Coming to the realistic reviews, it has the highest rated on the e-commerce website for a reason. The auto ignition is instant. It is easy to wipe and clean. Just be careful not to drop heavy vessels on the glass edges. It's the best overall 3-burner hob.